Hello there. Welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. I'm so glad you're here. Today I will be making Hidden Mermaid soap. I'm going to be using a little bit of this brilliant blue color in the main soap batter, and the rest will be made with soap dough. So I'm just going to add the lye water to the soap. Add the lye water to the oils. I'm going to blend that up. And I'm just going to add a little tiny bit of this blue. I just want the soap batter tinted slightly. I don't want it to be a very bold color because I want the soap dough to stand out. The soap dough pieces I've already made, and they're in the mold. And this is a fragrance I'll be using. It's Polynesian hibiscus. It has a very light floral fragrance to it, and also has very juicy fruity notes to it. It smells really good. It has a very nice tropical scent. So I'm just going to blend this together. And this is the mold, and that is the mermaid tails in there. I'm just going to move it over with this chopstick. I'm going to try to get it balanced. I didn't film putting it in here because they're really delicate, and I was having trouble filming it, around assembling this around the camera, so I just decided to leave it in the mold and show you how it looks after it's cut. So I'm just pouring the batter in carefully. And I also made some soap dough bubbles. They're really tiny. And I finally got a clay extruder for the soap dough. And so I extruded these long circular, they're like a cylindrical shape, so they'll look like circles when the soap is cut. If you watch I Dream in Soap's channel, you'll see that she uses a lot of soap dough put through an extruder for different designs. So I thought I'd give it a try and make some little tiny bubbles. I'm just going to add the second layer of soap batter here, and I'm pouring it over the end of the stick blender there to help break the fall. And partway up, I'm going to add another bubble, and then we'll put the rest of the batter on here. I'm just making sure that that's straight. This is the rest of the soap batter. And what I want to do here is push some of this batter over to one side to create like a wave effect. This batter is soft enough so that the lines aren't going to be very bold, but it will be sloped over to one side like a wave or a swell. And I sped this up a little bit because it's kind of boring watching it. This is biodegradable holographic glitter on one side to look like the ocean spray. And that's the soap up close. So we're back here a day later to cut it. This is how it looks out of the mold. So here's the first bar, and there's the mermaid tail. As you can see, I used different colors soap dough to make like a marbled effect. So each mermaid tail looks completely different, and it looks different on either side of the bar as well. I think they came out looking really pretty. And this is part of the Beyond the Sea collection, which will be available on June 1st if you'd like a bar. And these are the little end pieces which I will cut up for samples for later. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And please leave any suggestions you might have for fragrances or colors or designs that I might use in a future video. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.